Hey, you guys. Everybody talks about doing the planche. I'm going to show you how the details on how to do the planche push-up or the 90-degree push-up. Okay? How do you start this whole thing? One little tiny step at a time. First step, you should be able to do 200 of what I'm going to do consistently. Okay? Climb up the wall. Bring one foot down, bring the same foot up again, right? Okay, that's the first step. You need to be able to do 200 of those, and there's a time involved in being able to do 200. And then when you can do that, you're gonna be able to, you need to be to the next stage is to do push-ups, right? If anything. Make that much movement. The next step, you're gonna hold yourself up and you're gonna slide all the way down until your head touches the ground in a very safe fashion. You're not gonna drop, okay? So that's why there's progressions. Now I'm going to explain all of the details. Practice those first. Give me a comment. Tell me how that's working for you. And I'll share the other stuff with you later, okay? All right, man.